Hmm. A very good evening, good afternoon to all of you. Please confirm if I'm audible. All of you, please confirm if I'm audible. Just a minute. All right. So yesterday we were solving the blood relation questions, and till now we have seen a little bit low level of question. The difficulty was not that much. This I will not say too much difficult, but yes, it is a moderate level of question. So this will decide whether you have understood the relations or whether you have not. So please try this question once. Is the voice breaking? Please confirm. Mic disturbance. Okay, just a minute. All right. So now check please, is it fine now? The audio? Okay. So carefully see. In this question, if you don't complicate the relations, you can easily solve it. But if you complicate your way of thinking in this question, it will become difficult. So keep the things very simple. So Veena, who is the sister-in-law of Ashok? Okay. So Veena, sister-in-law. Sister will be same generation. In-law symbol is this. In-law of Ashok. Now Ashok is obviously male. Veena is a female. Veena, who is the sister-in-law of Ashok, is the daughter-in-law of Kalyani. So Veena is the daughter-in-law, daughter. So daughter means one generation below, but in-law, not daughter, daughter-in-law of Kalyani. Okay, so daughter-in-law of Kalyani. Dheeraj is the father of Sudeep, who is the only brother of Ashok. So Sudeep is the only brother of Ashok. Sudeep is the only brother of Ashok. And Sudeep, father of Sudeep is Dheeraj. So father of Sudeep is Dheeraj. Okay. Now next, how Kalyani is related with Ashok? This is what we have to think. Now, just carefully answer. We have to think Kalyani and Ashok. Kalyani and Ashok. Okay, please carefully answer. First, tell me, is this diagram clear? All of you? Is the diagram clear? All of you? Okay, so now think. Is it possible that there is a wife relation? Is it possible? Wife relation? No, wife means same generation, not possible. Okay, so only relation which is possible is which is one generation higher, not like sister, not like brother or sister. Okay, not like that. Okay, think please. Veena is the sister-in-law of Ashok. Sister-in-law. Now carefully answer. This is brother-in-law and Veena is sister-in-law. Out of these two persons, one person is the wife and one person will be the husband in this row I am saying. Carefully answer. If this person is brother-in-law, can I say they are a couple? Yes or not? Carefully answer. Can I say they are a couple? Yes. Think if there is any other possibility that this person can be brother-in-law. Is there any other possibility? Yes, no. No. So my dear, Sudeep has to be the husband of Veena. Then Sudeep's brother will be brother-in-law of Veena and Veena will be the sister-in-law for this person, Ashok. So they have to be husband and wife. Okay. So let me show the relation this way. Between these two persons, there is a couple relation between these two. So they are a couple. Okay. Now carefully answer. Can I say Dheeraj is the father of Sudeep? So Dheeraj is the father of Ashok also? Yes or not? Father of Ashok also? Yes? Okay. Dheeraj is the father of Ashok. Ashok is the son of Dheeraj. Okay. Now think this relation and this relation, or let's think Sudeep. Please tell me for Sudeep. Sudeep is what for Kalyani? Sudeep is what? My dear son, because wife, for wife it is mother-in-law, so for the husband it will be mother. Yes or not? And if she is the mother of Sudeep, she has to be the mother of Ashok also. Understood or not? Please carefully see. Mother, that means none of these option is correct. Okay, see carefully. All right. Veena is sister of wife. Where is wife? Ashok, Sakib. How Ashok will be brother-in-law? Yes, my dear. Think these two person. In these two person, this person is sister-in-law, so this will be brother-in-law. Yes, this will be brother-in-law. So this is brother-in-law. So why this person is brother-in-law? Because the brother is the husband of Veena. That's how this is brother-in-law. Yes. So this is how we have to think. Only brother is Sudeep, only one brother. So that one brother has to be husband of Veena. Then Veena will become sister-in-law. No, not aunt. Okay, just carefully answer. I want to think husband of Veena. Who can be husband of Veena? Can the husband of Veena be some other person who is not mentioned in the diagram? Can he be one of other person? Can he be one of the other person? Husband of Veena. I want to think husband of Veena. Can he be a person who is not present in this diagram? No. Why no? Because think it this way. Suppose I take a person X. So if he is the husband, that means he is a brother-in-law, so they will be brothers. But the question is saying, who is the only brother of Ashok? So Ashok has one brother, so it becomes two brothers now. So that's why I cannot take one more husband. This this person Sudeep has to be the husband. Okay, is this point clear? How Sudeep is husband of Veena? Is this point clear? Okay. Now once Sudeep is husband of Veena, now Sudeep and Ashok are brothers. So they will have the same father. So Dheeraj is the father of Sudeep. So Dheeraj is father of Ashok. Now this is mother-in-law. If she is the mother-in-law for the wife, she will be the mother of the husband, yes or not? So mother of husband. Husband is Sudeep. So mother of Sudeep. So mother of Ashok also. Okay, now clear? Any other possibility you might be thinking, please tell. Are you thinking some other possibility? Sister-in-law of Ashok means wife's a sister. Okay. Okay. Are you saying this, sir? Veena can be the sister of Ashok's wife. Are you saying that? KFC. Are you saying that? Yes, no? Okay. So let's see. Actually, one thing please remember, try to take as much less as possible to think of those person who are not present in the discussion. Wife is not present in the discussion, so we will try to avoid thinking the wife. Okay. But anyways, if we are thinking, let's say if we get something. All right. Any possibility if you think the relation must not become very far. Please remember that. Okay. Carefully answer. Dheeraj is the father of Sudeep. So Dheeraj is the father of Ashok also, I can say. So Dheeraj is the father-in-law for the wife. Okay. Father-in-law for the wife. Okay. Now carefully answer. If you think this way, Veena is the sister of wife. That's why Veena is the sister-in-law of Ashok. Okay. If you see this way, this becomes one separate family and this becomes one separate family. Yes or not? Carefully think. Very carefully. Yes or not? Because Veena might be married somewhere else. This wife is married in some other family. So this becomes two separate family. So this possibility we will not think. Understood this point? Try to think of those possibility which do not create too much gap in the relation. Okay. So that's why we will not think this possibility because relations will become very far if we think this possibility. Understood now? Okay. In that case, you will have to take husband of Veena. Let's take husband. This Kalyani will be the mother of the husband. Now, this is one separate family. This is one separate family. That's why we are not thinking. So, try to avoid taking any person which is not present in the discussion. In the discussion, one, two, three, four, five. 5 persons are there. Try to think these 5 persons only. Okay. Now, anything doubtful? Anything? Check, please. Okay. Now, next. Just a minute. Abhijit. All right. Try the next question, please. Hmm. All right. So let's see. Pointing to a woman, Abhijit said, okay, my dear, her word will be used for the woman. And Abhijit said the statement, so my word will be used for Abhijit. So first, I will draw my brother from the last. So my means Abhijit. My means Abhijit. My brother. That means let's take one person as A. So my brother. We are representing my brother with A plus. Okay. Now, if we go back, we have to draw only daughter of my brother. That means A plus. Only daughter of A plus I will have to draw. Okay, only daughter of A plus. This is A plus. Only daughter will be one generation below. Let's take it as B minus. So only daughter, we are taking it as B minus. Now go back, please. Only daughter is granddaughter. This only daughter is granddaughter of someone. So granddaughter, she is the granddaughter of someone. Who is that someone? Her granddaughter is B minus. So she is the granddaughter of her. Her means the woman. Until now, anything which is doubtful, please confirm this. See carefully. My brother, only daughter is her granddaughter. That is how we have drawn the diagram. Now answer. Very simple relations are there. So these two are brothers. She is the grandmother. So she must be the mother of A, and she must be the mother of Abhijit also, because they both are brothers. So they will have the same mother. If she is the mother of A, she is the mother of Abhijit also. So the woman is the mother of Abhijit. So mother will be correct. B option will be correct. Understood carefully? Please see. Simple question. Okay, next one. Next we have Sonia. Take the next question, please. Okay, so introducing Sonia, that means we are talking about Sonia. The person who is speaking is Amir. So she word is for Sonia. Okay, so she is the wife. Okay. Now we have to start from the last. My word here is for Amir. So Amir, my means Amir. Okay, my mother. Mother will be one generation above. Let's take the mother as A minus. So my mother here is A minus in the diagram. A minus. Now we have to draw only brother of A minus. Only brother. Brother will be same generation. So only brother of A minus will be B plus, let's say. So B plus is the brother. All right. So only brother is B plus. Now only nephew of B plus. Only nephew. So only nephew, who is that person? Amir himself. So my dear, Amir is the nephew. So Amir is the only nephew. So Amir is the nephew. Because Amir is the child of the sister. So nephew. Child of the sister, nephew. Child of brother also nephew. So this way Amir is the nephew. So only nephew is Amir. All right. Now wife of Amir is she. Wife of Amir is she. Let's take C is the wife and C is she. So see please. My mother, only brother only nephew, wife is she. Okay, my mother, brother, only nephew, wife is C, which is she. All right. So now, my dear, she is the wife of Amir. She means Sonia. So she is the wife of Amir. So wife becomes correct this way. So we just have to read the statement. Based on the statement relations, we have to draw the diagram and find the missing relations from there. Understood this? Please confirm. B, son. How is it son? My dear, they are asking about Varman, not Madhav. So find about Varman, not Madhav. Okay. So see carefully. Pointing to Varman, Madhav said, I am. So Madhav is saying, obviously, Madhav said the statement. So I word is for Madhav. And his word is for Varman. Okay. I will start from the last part, that means his. So his means Varman. His. Okay. So I have to draw his father. So his father will be one generation above. So father, let's take it as A plus. Okay. His father. Now his father, after that we have to take his father, we are representing by A plus. Okay. Now we have to take one of the son. One of the son we have to take. So we don't know how many sons are there, and which son we have to take, that also we don't know. Okay. So I am taking one more son. Let's take it as X. I think I can take more son also. I don't know how many son. I'm taking other persons also. Don't say that. You might say, sir, why you are taking other person? They are not in the discussion. You might say that. My dear sons, that's why I will have to think of other sons also. So I'm taking X, Y, Z, any number of son I can take. One also I can take, anyone. Okay. Now I have to take one of the son. So one of the son can be Varman also. One of the son can be X also. So two possibilities I will have to draw. So carefully see. One possibility is one of the son, I take it as Varman. Other possibility is one of the son, I take it as x plus. Two possibilities. One is Varman, one possibility. Other possibility is x plus. So two possibilities I will have to take. One is Varman, one is x plus. Now go back. I have to take now only son of one of the son I have taken. So only son of Varman, let's suppose B plus, or only son of x plus, that means B plus. B plus. Okay. So now carefully answer. Think of this possibility. Think of this possibility. One more thing. Only son we are representing by B plus. Okay. Now I am the only son. As if you read the statement, I am the only son. That means this person is I or Madhav. Okay. This person is I or Madhav. Now carefully answer. In this case, what is the relation of Varman with respect to Madhav? Who is Varman? Father. So in this case, you will say, sir, father. Okay, here what will you say? What is the relation between Varman and Madhav? Varman is not father of Madhav. X is the father of Madhav. So brother of X. X and Varman are brother, right? So Varman is the brother of father. So brother of father will be the uncle. So uncle relation will come out. Okay, so Varman is uncle and Madhav is nephew. So they are talking about Varman, not Madhav. So father or uncle, two possibilities will arise. Two possibilities. I cannot say surely father. I cannot say 100% uncle. But yes, two possibilities, that is father and uncle. Understood or not? Please carefully see. Two possibilities. Okay. See one by one. First, I have taken his. His means Varman. Then I have taken his father. So his father is A plus. His father is A plus. After that, I have to take one of the son of A plus. Now, one of the son can be Varman also, or it can be X also. X is one more person. So in one possibility, we have taken one of the son as Varman. In other possibility, we have taken one of the son as X. Okay. So take both the possibility. In one case, it is Varman. In one case, this person is X. Now go back. Now I have to draw only son of Varman and only son of X. So only son of Varman will be this and only son of X will be this. And that is the person who is mentioned as I. I am the only son. So only son is I, that means Madhav. Only son is I, that is Madhav. Okay. So based on this, we will find here Varman is the father of Madhav in this case. And in this case, we are observing these two are brothers. This is the father of Madhav. So father's brother will be uncle. So Varman is the uncle of Madhav. Okay. See again, please. From the diagram, relations must be clear. If you don't understand the diagram, you will not be able to solve. Okay. All right. Next. Okay. Carefully see, please. My dear, here they have taken different types of symbols. Every symbol means a relation. So what relation it means? We will read it. Based on the relation as per the symbols, this means a family tree. This means a different family diagram. This means a different family diagram. This means some different diagram, some different diagram. Okay, so first I will try to understand what is the meaning of this. Then I will see whether in this diagram I observe that P is the maternal uncle of Q. In whichever option I observe that P is the maternal uncle of Q, then in that case I will say that is the right answer. Okay, so please carefully, let's start with A option. Q minus N plus M cross P. Okay, let's see the meaning of minus. The meaning of minus is brother. The first person is the brother of second person. That is the meaning. Okay, let's see the meaning of plus now. The meaning of plus is mother. So meaning of plus is mother. So plus means mother. So N is the mother of N. Third one is cross. Cross meaning is sister. Okay, cross meaning is sister. So this cross means sister. So first person is the sister of second person. That is the meaning. Based on this, we will draw one diagram which we can understand, because I have not taken any symbol which is percentage cross to represent the relation. We have other symbols. The question is mentioning other symbols. Okay. Again, voice issue. Is it voice issue again? Is the voice cracking in between, or is there any noise? What is the issue with the voice? Noise and cracking. Breaking. Just a minute. Check please. Is there a cracking issue again? Check now. Is the background noise or air sound coming? background noise, air sound. Okay, so I was saying that every symbol, its meaning is given by the question. So based on that, minus means the first person is the brother of second person. Plus means first person is the mother of second person. Cross means first person is the sister of second person. This is what I have read from there, and it's a diagram I will draw, which I can understand. So see please. My dear, Q is the brother. Q is the brother of N. So same generation, N. N is the mother, so minus. N is the mother of M. So mother will be one generation above mother of M. So M will be one generation below. M is the sister of P. Okay, M is the sister, so minus sister of P. Sister will be same generation. Now try to observe the relation of P and Q. P and Q. Do you even know the gender of P? Do you know that? What is the gender of P? No, we don't know the gender. Without knowing the gender, can I say uncle or aunt or anything else? Can we confirm without gender? No. So we will not proceed further. We don't know the gender. So how we can say uncle? Uncle means male. Where do we have this information that P is a male person? We don't have. So we will not proceed with this. Okay. Let's take the second one. Same, just like this. Okay. So we have B, P plus S cross N minus Q. Okay. So plus means mother. Cross means sister. And minus means brother. Okay. So P is the mother of S. P is the mother of S. So P is the mother of S. S is the sister of N. S is the sister of N. Sister will be same generation. So sister of N. N is the brother of Q. N is the brother of Q. Okay. Will you say that P is the uncle? Is it even possible? P is the uncle. Is it possible? Now answer something. The moment you realize P is the mother, that means P is mother, so P is a female person. Would you even, is it even required to draw this diagram? Can we not directly confirm that P is a female, so P cannot be uncle? It is not even possible. Yes or not? Carefully answer. Gender is very important. If gender is same, it is male, then we will proceed. Why to draw this diagram when P is a female as per the option? So do not draw. Let's go to the next option. Here I will say it is a female, so not possible. Okay, not possible. All right. Let's take the C option now. So as per the C option, we have P minus M plus N cross Q. Okay. So cross means sister. Okay, plus means mother, and minus means brother. So P is the brother of M. So P is the brother of M. M is the mother of N. M is the mother of N. M is the mother. So one generation above. Mother of N. N is the sister of Q. N is the sister of Q. Okay, now answer. My dear, this is the mother of N. So can I say M is the mother of Q also? Yes or not? Carefully answer. Okay. Now, these two persons are one generation above. These two are one generation below. Okay. Out of these two persons, one is the mother. So can I say other person will be uncle or aunt based on the gender? Yes or not? Because he cannot be the father, not possible, because it is M's brother. So father relation is not even possible. So can I say uncle relation? Yes or not? Carefully tell. And uncle from the father side or mother side? Uncle from which side? Mother side. So here we are observing this. So C option becomes correct. Okay. So wherever you observe the given information, given requirement of the question, that option will become correct. So for every option, we will draw a diagram which we can understand. Okay. This is how we have to solve such question. Actually speaking, I personally think these are more simpler as compared to the previous question we have solved. This is more easy. Okay. Please try one more question. Okay. C is the son of M. This is what we have to find. In every option, observe where is C. Okay, carefully answer. Plus means brother. Okay, brother means C will be male person, so son is possible. Plus again, so male person, son is possible. Cross. In this case, just answer please. F cross C. Cross means A is the father of B. So F is the father of C. F is the father of C. Who is C? Male or female? Do you know? Male or female? Do you know that? No, we don't know. So my dear, we don't know the gender of C. So C's gender is unknown. So we will not check this option. C's gender is unknown. Okay. So this option definitely will not check. What we will check is, we'll check the gender of, we'll check the option A and B, yes, but not C. So M minus N cross C plus F. Okay. So plus minus cross brother, sister, father. Brother, sister, father. M is the sister of N. M is the sister of N. N is the father of C. N is the father of C. Okay, just carefully answer. N is the father of C. C is the brother of F. C is the brother of F. The moment you see N is the father, so C cannot be the son of M. The moment you see this, yes or not? Yes, because it is the sister. So N is the father, so she cannot be the, she cannot be the mother of C. It is not possible. So it is uncle-aunt relation, I can say. She is the aunt and he is the nephew. So it is not son relation, it is nephew relation for this. So we'll go to the next option, just like this. Okay, F minus C. F minus C plus N cross M. Okay, plus minus cross brother, sister, father. Brother, sister, father. Okay, so F is the sister of C. F is the sister of C. C is the brother of N. C is the brother of N. So brother means same generation. N is the father of M. N is the father of M. Now C, the son, can he be one generation above M? If C is the son of M, can he be one generation above M? Is it even possible? No. So it's not possible. Here as well, it is uncle relation. C is the uncle, M is nephew or niece. Okay. So this also is not correct. So now we will check the D option, because in D option we know the gender. Okay, D option. So D option is M cross N minus C plus F. Okay. So plus minus cross brother, sister, father. Plus minus cross. Okay. So M is the father of N. M is the father of N, and they are all brothers and sisters. N is the sister of C. N is the sister of C. C is the brother of F. C is the brother of F. So they are all brothers and sisters. So they will have the same father. So that means in this case, we are observing C is the son of M. So this option we observe C is the son of M. So this option becomes correct. Understood or not what we have to do in such questions? Please carefully see. All right. So this way, my dear, we have to solve different types of question. Now let me share this PDF with you. Hmm. All right. So next, we are going to start with now direction sense. Okay. Minus 323. Okay. So little bit we'll discuss today direction sense. A very simple topic. All of you might be knowing the directions. My dear North, we always show on copy and papers this way. North can be this side also in reality, that way also. Back side also north can be there. But we don't know in reality because location might change. So north and south, every direction will change. So on paper, there is a standard to follow. That is north, east, this is south, and this is west. Please don't be confused with east and west. Everyone is clear about north and south, but sometimes students are confused with east and west. So please remember, this is east, that is west. In between the two direction, we call this as northeast. We call this as northwest. We call this as southwest because it is between south and west. That's why southwest. And this is between south and east, so southeast. Okay. If you carefully observe, total there are 8 directions. So 8 directions will make 4 pairs of direction which are opposite to each other. So north and south are opposite, northwest, southeast are opposite, east, west are opposite, northeast, southwest are opposite. So these opposite pairs is what we have to always remember. Opposite pairs. Opposite pairs. So north and south is the first pair. Second one is east and west are opposite. Third one is take anything northwest and take southwest. So opposite to north is south, opposite to west is east. So northwest, southeast are opposite. Opposite to south is north, opposite to west is east. So southwest, northeast will be opposite. Why these opposite direction pair must be known to us, you will understand when we solve the questions. Okay, you will understand that. Other than this, in the question, they might use these words left and right. Okay. I'm drawing the directions, 4 directions I'm drawing. Okay, for every direction you have to tell, if it is north direction, you are traveling in north direction, you can take a left turn, you can take a right turn. If you take a left turn, it will become west. If you take a right turn, it will become east direction. The same way, right and left, you have to decide for each and every one. So please carefully answer. For every direction, for east, left turn, right turn will give you what direction? For south also, for west also. Please try this once. Understand left and right. You're traveling there, take left, take right. So for every direction, we should know left turn gives you what, right turn gives you what. PNC probability will be taken later. Okay. Actually, we have removed it from the course. We were not seeing much questions in the drives. So we'll take it as a separate session someday, but it's not in the course. All right, West. Okay. I hope all of you understand. If you are traveling anywhere, left is in the anti-clockwise sense, right is in the clockwise sense. So anti-clockwise sense will be left, clockwise sense will be right. This is left, this is right. Anti-clockwise will be left and clockwise will be right. So my dear, this will be north, this will be south. Okay, this is east and west already written. This right turn will give you south, and this left will give you, don't memorize it, you should know. This will give you north. And this is left, this is east. And here right turn will give you west. All right. So this is left and right. Now I will just give you one idea that how this and how the previous knowledge will give you the answer for any question. Two types of question we'll see. So carefully see. The first type of question will give you a person who is moving here and there. So he will start from a certain point and he will reach a certain different point, taking different turns. In this question, there is no left and right word mentioned. All the directions they have given, southeast, west, then northwest and east. Everything they have mentioned. And what they are asking is how far you're traveling from somewhere to somewhere. So how far you have traveled. So how far is he from the house? He has started from the house. So you started from your house. After traveling all this, where you are, how far you are? That is the question. So in such question, when they ask you how far you have traveled, in which direction you are with respect to the starting, if these two types of questions are there, please carefully understand. You will see the numbers, that means distance and direction. Distance, direction, nothing else you will see. So what I'm trying to say is, read the 7 kilometer right, 7 southeast. Next, they have mentioned 14 west, then 7 northwest, and then 9 in the east. So this is your journey. This journey you have to write in every question, journey. Once you write this journey, then later we will proceed with the solution of this. What we have to observe now is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 directions are there. Do we have opposite directions in this journey? We will observe that. So please answer, do we have any opposite directions in the journey? Yes, please mention what are they. Southeast, northwest. South and north are opposite, east, west are opposite. So they are opposite to each other. Okay, if the answer, the number also is same. So can I say 7 southeast and 7 northwest will cancel out? Carefully answer, yes or not. Think it this way. If you go 5 kilometer north, then travel 5 kilometers south, it will become 0 or not? Yes. 5 north, then 5 south, 0. The same way I'm saying 7 southeast. So 7 southeast, then 7 northwest will become 0. Yes or not? So that way it will cancel out. Because it is same number, opposite direction. So same number, opposite direction, completely cancel out. East and west also are opposite. Will it cancel out? Will this cancel out? Carefully answer. No, it will not cancel because number is not same. So it will not cancel. But yes, they are opposite. My dear, whenever opposite are mentioned, you have to take the difference. So 14 minus 9 you have to write. Okay, now answer. 14 minus 9, 5. But 5 east or 5 west? What will you say? 5 east or 5 west? You will say whichever number is higher, that direction you have to mention. West is higher, east is lower. So finally it will be west. Now what is the meaning of this should be clear. Understand please. Suppose this is your starting. This is your starting. Now from the starting, in the west direction, from the starting, in the west direction, you draw one arrow. Draw one arrow in the west direction. So west direction, you draw one arrow. After 5 kilometers, it will be final position. So the meaning of this is this, starting final 5 kilometer west. Okay, 5 kilometer west. All right. So how far is he from his house? House is the starting. So how far is he from his house? He will say that, sir, 5. So 5 is the answer. So very simply, we just have to write the journey. We have to see opposite direction. If something cancel out, we have to cancel. If something does not cancel out, but it is opposite, we have to write the difference. This is what we have to do nearly in all the questions. Understood, all of you? See carefully. Okay. Now, this document contains many questions, which is the question which we will take in the class also, the question which is for practice also, for homework also. So I will share this with you. We are ending the class early today. I have to prepare some document for the accurate grooming. So this is all for today. Let me just share the attendance also. Well, if you have shared the attendance link, please carefully see that. Yes, you can leave now. The session is done for today.